Come on, mate, we need to film.
Right.
Wait, one last bite. Hey guys, I'm Harry.
And I'm Lewis. We're brothers.
And the co-founders of Plateaway.
The first question we get asked all the time is, what is a restaurant meal kit?
So a restaurant meal kit is a box containing all of a restaurant's secret and special ingredients with instruction cards, conveniently packaged for you and delivered to your door, ready for you to enjoy at home. Plateaway is a meal kit marketplace with some of the UK's largest and best independent brands delivered to a nationwide audience.
So in the midst of lockdown, we couldn't get access to some of our favourite restaurants, and it was really tedious having to cook meals that we knew nothing about.
I followed a few brands on Instagram and I saw they were delivering these new restaurant kits and being delivered to people's houses.
And it still tasted the same as well. That was so important.
For me as a consumer, I couldn't get access and to see all of these meal kits in one place. So I thought a marketplace with all of these kits in one place can be a fantastic idea. And I managed to find a pretty robust technology to make it simple, not just for the customer, but for our restaurant partners to manage and distribute orders. So from 6 founding partners and just me and Lewis, let's fast forward to how it's going now.
Restaurants have only ever had 2 revenue streams, one being a takeaway and one being a customer coming into their restaurant. Plateaway have delivered a 3rd revenue stream, which is having the fresh ingredients delivered for you to cook at home, giving you the best experience as it would be in a restaurant.
So through a little bit of research, we found at-home kits and delivered at-home kits for people to cook and enjoy a restaurant experience in their own house. We did further research and we found Plateaway. We contacted the team and the team were really quick at responding. They helped us work out our packaging, our delivery program, our food safety and sanitation, and even put us in touch with a logistics company that delivers not only in inner city London, but nationwide. This relationship has allowed us at Hard Rock to keep a cash revenue flow coming in at tough times, to expand our portfolio and how we operate our business, and to expand our outreach of our brand to our guests who are nowhere near the cafes. Since the lockdown has lifted, we've seen people continue to order at-home meal kits. So I'd advise everybody, get with Plateaway, get a meal kit, and get online.
Not only this, it allows restaurants to tap into a brand new customer base. And for the customers, it solves a big problem of allowing them to get access to their favourite restaurant, no matter where they live in the UK.
One of the most important things to us was that the customer received their kit in the best condition. So we came up with a sustainable, eco-friendly and recyclable package that would stay fresh for up to 48 hours during transit.
So we're partnered with some of the UK's largest brands, including Shake Shack, Hard Rock Cafe, Homeslice, Carluccio's, to name a few.
A really important part for us is to help small independents grow their business. So for us, having Plateaway allows them to distribute their kits nationwide.
Home meal kits, are here to stay. Plateaway has really given us the opportunity to reach, a customer base that may not necessarily be able to come to our restaurant in London.
Now you can get Filipino food across the UK, in Wales, in Edinburgh, wherever. But so we think it's just another extension to our mission, which is to champion Filipino food.
So for a customer, all they need to do is choose what they want to eat. They can add add-ons to their basket, they put their delivery date in, they check out, and it will be delivered to you nationwide, ready for you to cook at home.
HelloFresh and Gusto really paved the way for convenience weekday meal kits. But we now offer something different. We offer an experience brought to you by restaurants. We've merged 2 great concepts. HelloFresh, that deliver recipes to your door, and Deliveroo, that deliver the hot food for you to eat at home. Well, we have the best of both worlds. We provide the box with your favourite restaurant ingredients, delivered to your door for you to cook at home, no matter where you live in the UK. With the investment from this round, there are 3 main areas we're going to spend our money. We're going to grow our marketing channels, letting everyone in the UK know who we are. We're going to invest heavily into our microservice architecture technology. And we're going to expand our ever-growing amazing team.
Our strategy for growth is pretty simple. We want to expand our product offering, we want to launch a subscription model for our customers, and we want to be the #1 meal kit platform in the UK.
Once we've conquered the UK market, we plan to scale globally, and we can allow customers to enjoy their favourite restaurant meal kit, whether they live in New York, Paris or Tokyo, in the comfort of their own home.
So join us on our journey and help make this happen.
Right, that's a wrap. Should we finish our burger?
It's a burger, not a wrap. I know, I love it!
Huh?